Hello everyone, Cherie Yvette here. Welcome back to my channel. I try to post videos each and every Friday here on the channel, so make sure you click subscribe. I post everything from motherhood rooted in faith and not perfection, my love for education, homeschooling, writing, poetry, and everything else in between. So make sure you click like and turn on the notification bell. But over on my Instagram, I did a poll as I was reorganizing some things around my house. Because over in my stories on Instagram for the month of March, I am doing like a reorganize with me on my channel because just face it, like with me becoming a mom of now 3 and now getting back into my routine of things, I'm finding out that it's time for me to reorganize or plan out the way some things are handled in my home. So over on my Instagram, I showed a reorganization of baby Allen's or Allen Jr.'s clothing. And I did a poll and I said, who would like to see how I organize their closet? Because we have a shared boy-girl nursery or bedroom. So I'm going to take you upstairs with me as we actually dig in to see how we organize their closets. And I'm going to show you how I keep the drawers in their bedroom. Okay, so let's go. So we are in Lily Jean and Alan Jr.'s room. Believe it or not, this used to be my 14-year-old Ailani's room. And when Lily Jean came along, we moved her downstairs. And now it's a shared boy-girl nursery with Lily Jean and Alan Jr. So this is a dresser that I have. It's just nothing special. I actually got this dresser at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. If you're ever looking for a deal or a discount on furniture, I would tell you to go there. I actually got 2 of these and they both were for like 115, no more than 120 for 2 dressers like this. The other one is downstairs in Ailani's room. And I just have this changing pad on here. The changing pad cover comes from Little Muffin Cakes, and oh my goodness, the brand is such a good quality, and the characters on there look like our kids. You know, representation matters. So go check out Little Muffin Cakes. They actually just launched on Target.com too, but you can follow on Instagram and check them out that way. So on top of the dresser, I just have like some stuff that I might need. These are like reusable changing pads that you can put onto the changing table in between diaper changes for Lily Jean or baby. And then in there, I just have stuff that me and my husband need to use for the babies inside of this little container drawer separator, which you're going to see in a minute. And then I just keep Alan Jr.'s pacifiers in a jar. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is one of my favorite diffusers. I even take it downstairs. I haven't found a diffuser that actually lasts and actually is good quality. So this is the one that I use for them. And right now I'm diffusing frankincense and lemon eucalyptus and the cedarwood because they have a little bit of a cough. But let's get to the drawer organization for a boy and girl in this room. So before it was just Lily Jean's room, but now that it's both of them, they each have separate drawers for their diapers. And this is where we keep the wipes for both of them. So this is Junior side, and obviously this is Lily Jean. She is potty training. You can follow them both on Instagram at Lily Jean Joy _Alan Caleb. So this is their Lily Jean's side. And she has her pull-ups and then her underwear. And then, of course, her bonnets for her hair, which we're still working on trying to get her to wear them. So I just keep the underwear in the front and the pull-ups in the back. And that's what's in their top drawer. Let me show you this little thing. This was a good hack from the Dollar Tree. These were in the hardware storage section. And I got the idea to look there from the YouTube channel, But First Coffee. And I just took this. It's supposed to be used for like screws and everything, but I keep like pacifier clips. I have to hide the Q-tips and just little miscellaneous stuff that belong to the kids. I keep it in here and it just works for me to keep it tucked right in there. So that was from Dollar Tree, a little storage thing. So I try to like categorize things according to like groups. Like this is her swimsuits. These are her stockings or tights for her dress. These are her socks, and these are his socks. And I was telling Ailani this the other day when she was like doing helping me with their laundry or doing something with their laundry, and she folded their socks like we fold big people socks. You know how some people tuck the tops over? I don't do that for little socks because they easily get destroyed if you like fold them in like, you know, you do big people socks. So I literally just stack them in these drawer organizers, and the drawer organizers came from Ikea and they fit perfectly into a standard size drawer. So eventually what I want to do is just buy them all black socks and they could share socks. But right now we're phasing out some of Lily Jean's other socks. So these are all Lil socks. And then the bigger ones that she wears with her little dresses sometimes, I just take them and fold them like this and just tuck them in. Because with little socks, if you fold them like big people socks, the elastic gets ruined very quickly, and then you have to buy new socks. And then these are just his hats and stuff in here. So that's that. And over here are his little pants, like the little stretchy type. I'll show you in the closet in a second. So in this drawer are their PJs. So these are Lily Jean's PJs, which I'm doing a reorganize with me over on Instagram. So most of her PJs are too small, and some are in this basket because laundry with two little ones is forever. So these are Lil's, and these are Alan Jr.'s like sleepers. And I fold our clothes, meaning the babies and ours, my husband's, and I taught Ailani how to do this Marie Kondo style, so that they sit up and you can easily see, you know, like a filing system, what it is that you want to pick or what you want to select. So those are his PJs and those are hers. And in this drawer are Lily Jean's shorts. She has so many pairs of shorts already because we love hand-me-downs. So these are all Lily Jean shorts, which obviously in New Jersey, they're not getting used just yet. And these are all of her leggings and her sweatpants, again, in this larger size bin from Ikea. And I don't have an Ikea in my state that's close to me. The closest one to us is in Philadelphia, but I ordered those online, and honestly, I don't remember how much they cost. So over here are Lily Jean's shirts. I have them organized by short sleeves and like undershirts, and these are like her long sleeve type shirts. And then again, I fold them Marie Kondo style so you can very easily see what's here and then pick it and she can wear it. She can even see what each shirt is instead of like piling it. Like the way I learned when I was growing up is like we just used to fold them and then stack them, and you couldn't really see what was underneath. This way you can see what is in the drawer and select it very easily without unfolding everything. So she normally goes from this one, which her Auntie Rena gave her for her birthday, which is her Daniel Tiger t-shirt. And down bottom are Alan Jr. shirts. So this is like overflowing at the brim because these are all like onesies, but they're overflowing because I just washed like his 6 to 9 stuff, but he can still, the 6 to 9 is still a little bit too big because he's a little miniature, but he's long. So there's like overflowing at the seam. But again, you can easily see all of the onesies in this container and pick the one you want without messing them up. These are his long sleeve onesies, which are in another one of those storage things from Ikea. Those are long sleeve, and these ones are just long sleeve white ones. So that's the easiest way I found to like store his shirts. So this in this drawer are hers, and then this drawer are his. And then in this drawer, I'm not really going to show you too much. Those are like his receiving blankets that we don't hardly use too much, but I still keep on hand for diaper bags and like muslin cloths, which again, there are little muffin cakes. There's little muffin cakes. They have muslins. Y'all, you got to go check them out. Seriously. So those are the little muffin cake muslins, and that's what's in that drawer. So let me show you their closet now that you've seen the dresser. She has an obnoxious amount of bows. And not even from me, like from other people, like my sister Dorena, like Lily has bows, Lily Jean has bows coming in the mail. So those are her bows and scrunchies from her sister. And then on this hook are some hats that she got from, my sister was getting rid of them. So I kept some for Lil's because she always wants to wear a hat. So that's where her hats are right now. So in the closet, I use this same exact system from when Lily Jean was a baby, and now we're using it as a shared space for Alan Jr. and Lily Jean. This closet was not like this when we got this house. Upstairs in the house, if you haven't already noticed, we have slanted ceilings. So the closet ceilings in here are also slanted. When I first got this house, it was just one hanging bar like up here somewhere. And me and a friend many years ago when Ailani turned 5, we put the shelving in. But when we were having Alan Jr., I said, Alan, I want to get rid of a shelf because there was another shelf right here. And I said, I want to create a hanging space so he could have his hanging space and Lily Jean could have her hanging space. Granted, when they get older, I don't know, if this will work because obviously his clothes will get bigger. But for now, it's working. Down bottom is Lily Jean's shoe collection that she literally chooses a new pair of shoes to wear like every half hour. And then back in the back of the closet, I just have some random things back there for storage. Back in the back of the closet, which I really love, that Lily Jean can actually reach this and select her own clothes, which she loves it too. A part of her bedtime routine is to select her clothes of what she's going to wear the night before. So she'll help me pick her clothes and then hang them up here so that daddy can get her dressed. That was one of the things that he requested, that I help and pick out what she's gonna wear. So right now it's just her skirts, her pants. You saw her shirts in the drawer, her dresses, long sleeve shirts and hoodies. But I want to show you like all the way back here. This closet goes all the way to the back, but the ones in the front are her clothes that are in season. So when the weather warms up, back there are all of like her dresses and like spring wear and a couple of keepsakes that belong to Ailani that I want Lily Jean to wear when she's old enough. So I don't want you to think like, dang, all of this is Lily Jean's clothes. It is all her clothes, but it's all seasons. But then like right here in the middle, there's nothing there. Those are just extra hangers. And you're probably like, where'd you get those hangers? Or maybe you're not, but I'm going to tell you anyway. But I like to buy a lot of stuff secondhand. And there's actually some treasures on Facebook Marketplace. So I search Facebook Marketplace for the hangers because I wanted them to match, because I wanted Junior to have the same ones as Lily Jean. And there was a lady who was, her store went out of business and she was selling the hangers. And I got tons of them. I gave some away and I still have some in the shed and room to grow. So when Alan Jr. and Lily Jean were babies, I had these tags, but I didn't want to pay for them. So I just printed them from Pinterest from a free template, and I laminated them and it worked just fine. So when Junior came around, even though he obviously is not a girl, I just kept the same ones. I love that sagey color anyway. So his clothes are just organized by size. Like all the stuff in the front is stuff that he's wearing now. And then his 6 to 9 month tag is there. And then his 9 to 12 months tag. But something that has really helped me keep things organized, or when he's like growing out of things I want to donate or things I want him to grow into, right in the back of this closet is a container, and I just throw stuff in there as people give it to me and I wash it. And underneath the crib is a flat bin on wheels that we keep things in that he's not quite ready to grow in, and things that Lily Jean are not quite ready to grow in. Up top, this storage system is something I just was like obsessed with when I was pregnant with Lily Jean. I label every single basket, so it's kind of self-explanatory. The burp cloths, and again, little muffin cakes, y'all. Baby burp cloths are like the best quality ever compared to some of the other ones, that flimsy ones that I have in here. Look at this burp cloth compared to little muffin cakes burp cloths. Like, I'm going to show you a little bit more on my Instagram because I like to share stuff that we're using and that I like over on their Instagram. So their towels are here, washcloths. And then bibs are in here, and there's a cute little Muffin Cakes baby. And then there's Alan's baby carrier. I have my own Moby wrap, which I use all the time, which is a lifesaver. Crib sheets, and then wipes, extra wipes are in there. And this one is just room to grow. So that is their closet. And obviously it's a shared boy-girl nursery. Right now he's in the crib, and he'll probably end up switching to like the same type of bed that she has. And so far this system is working for us. You know, her shoes are down there where she can reach. This is his mini shoe collection. I have these little baskets just to store miscellaneous items in. And if you want to know about where these baskets came from, I got them from Target in their dollar spot. I think I had purchased all of the ones in the store, and then I just ordered them right online from the Target dollar spot. So yeah, that is their closet. So if you have some tips for organizing a shared boy-girl nursery as they grow, leave them down in the comment section. I would love to hear it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get a notification for when I post another video here on the channel.